Hi everyone! These tips come directly from experienced technicians who work every day in this appliance repair shop. So let's solve this issue together. When a client comes in saying, the fridge is cold, but the freezer isn't freezing at all, the first thing we always clarify in the shop is that it's not always a serious problem. Often it has to do with how cold air circulates inside the unit. In Frigidaire refrigerators, the cold is mainly generated in the freezer and then distributed to the fridge. If that airflow gets blocked, the freezer might stop freezing even though the fridge stays cold. In fact, several clients have told us they can hear the fans running, but the freezer doesn't get cold. One person said, "I hear the fan, but it's not freezing and the food stays soft." This usually happens when ice builds up in the internal ducts, preventing cold air from reaching the freezer properly. Technicians explain that if the automatic defrost system isn't working correctly or the defrost cycle doesn't complete, the ice can block air circulation. On the other hand, some clients discover that setting the temperatures correctly can help a lot. They said, "I set the freezer to 0 degrees and the fridge to 37 degrees, waited a few hours, and it started freezing like before." This makes sense because the system needs time to stabilize and reach the proper temperature after an adjustment. Also, in many units, the problem was caused by blocked air ducts. One client mentioned, "There were boxes right in front of the freezer vents, and when I moved them, the air started circulating better." Technicians explain that if airflow is blocked, the fridge can stay cold while the freezer doesn't freeze properly. Similarly, some clients have noticed that the evaporator fan isn't moving air correctly. They said, "The fan seemed to spin, but I couldn't feel any cold air in the freezer." This happens when the fan is damaged or ice blocks it, preventing proper airflow and stopping the freezer from cooling. Finally, several clients brought in units with dirty condenser coils, which stops the system from releasing heat efficiently. They noted that after cleaning the coils, the freezer temperature started dropping. Technicians explain that when the condenser can't dissipate heat properly, the cooling system becomes less efficient, and the freezer is affected first.